Hello, adventurers. You're tuned in to Mr. Vin TV, your ultimate guide to thrilling escapades and daring exploits. We're here to fuel your wanderlust, arm you with practical tips, and inspire you to conquer new frontiers. From the highest peaks to the deepest caves, we've got you covered. So if you're someone who loves to explore the unknown, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the essentials for solo adventurers. Buckle up for our top 10 countdown of things you need when traveling alone for adventure. Kicking off our countdown at number 10, we have a sturdy backpack. This isn't just any ordinary backpack. It's your mobile home, your storage unit, and your best friend all rolled into one when you're traversing through the wilderness or navigating bustling city streets. A good quality backpack is essential for any solo adventurer. It should have enough space to comfortably fit all your gear, but also be compact enough not to weigh you down. Look for features such as multiple compartments for organization, padded shoulder straps for comfort, and water-resistant material for those unexpected showers. A sturdy backpack can make the difference between a smooth journey and a challenging one. It's not just about carrying your belongings, it's about having a reliable partner in your quest. So don't skimp on this one. Remember, comfort and functionality are key when selecting your adventure companion. At number 9, never underestimate the power of reliable navigation tools. Whether you're navigating rugged mountain trails or finding your way through bustling city streets, the right tools can make all the difference. Traditional navigation tools like maps and compasses are tried and true. They don't require any power source and can be incredibly reliable, especially in remote areas where digital signals are scarce. But let's not discount the value of modern tech. GPS devices and smartphone apps offer real-time updates and often include additional features that could prove invaluable on your journey, like weather updates and local points of interest. Just remember, relying solely on one tool could leave you in a bind. For instance, what happens when your device's battery dies, or you find yourself in a dead zone with no signal? Having a backup plan is always advisable. Getting lost might be part of the adventure, but knowing your way back is essential. 8th on our list is a must-have for any adventurer, a first aid kit. This compact lifesaver is more than just a box of Band-Aids. It's your first line of defense against potential mishaps. When you're out there facing the elements, it's crucial to have tools at your disposal to handle minor injuries or emergencies. A well-stocked first aid kit should include, but not be limited to, adhesive bandages of various sizes, antiseptic wipes, tweezers, medical tape, and sterile gauze pads. Don't forget essential medications such as pain relievers, antihistamines, and any personal prescriptions. A first aid manual can also be invaluable, particularly if you're venturing out into remote areas. Remember, the goal isn't to be a walking pharmacy, but to be prepared for common injuries and illnesses that could occur during your adventure. The right first aid kit can make the difference between a minor inconvenience and a major problem. Safety first, always. A first aid kit could be your lifeline in an emergency. Coming in at 7th place, we have the multi-tool. Now imagine having a toolbox that fits right in your pocket. That's exactly what a multi-tool is. It's compact, lightweight, yet packed with various tools you might need on your adventure. From a knife to a can opener, a screwdriver to a pair of scissors, a multi-tool has got you covered. It's the Swiss Army knife of the modern-day adventurer. Caught in a snag? Whip out your multi-tool. Need to fix a broken gear? Your multi-tool is at your service. It's like having your own personal assistant, always ready to lend a hand. And let's not forget, it's not just about utility, it's about survival. In the great outdoors, a multi-tool can be a lifesaver, providing you with the means to do everything from starting a fire to catching a meal. One tool for multiple solutions, a true adventurer's best friend. Halfway through our countdown at number 6, we've got a water purification system. This is more than just a luxury item, it's a lifeline. Think about it, what's the one thing you can't survive without? That's right, water, but not just any water, clean, safe drinking water. Now, there are several types of water purification systems out there. Some use ultraviolet light to kill bacteria and parasites. Others use a filter to remove impurities. There are also chemical purification methods like iodine or chlorine tablets. Each has its pros and cons, but they all aim to do one thing: make sure the water you're drinking isn't going to make you sick. Remember, when you're out in the wild, the last thing you want is to be down with a waterborne illness. So invest in a good water purification system. Stay hydrated, stay safe, never compromise on clean water. Stepping into the top 5, we have durable footwear. Now you might be thinking, why is footwear so high on the list? Well, let me tell you, the importance of high quality, comfortable, and durable footwear cannot be overstated. Whether you're trekking through dense forests, climbing craggy mountains, or strolling along sandy beaches, the right footwear will keep you going. Imagine hiking for hours, only to be stopped in your tracks by aching feet or a blister. No one wants that, right? The correct footwear not only provides comfort, but also protection against harsh terrains, sharp objects, and even the weather. Remember, when it comes to footwear, don't skimp on quality. Your boots or shoes are your steadfast companions on your solo adventure. They are your first line of defense and your support system, so invest in a pair that's built to last, that can withstand the test of time and the elements. Your feet carry you on your adventures. Make sure you take care of them. At number 4, we have a lifesaver for the tech-savvy adventurer, a portable charger. Now, we all know the importance of staying connected, especially when we're out exploring the great unknown alone. Devices like your smartphone, GPS, or even a flashlight can be the difference between a minor hiccup and a major predicament. Imagine this. You're hiking through an unfamiliar trail, and suddenly your GPS powers down. Or perhaps you're setting up camp as the sun sets and your flashlight dies. Unsettling, isn't it? But with a portable charger, you can keep these scenarios at bay, ensuring your devices are always ready to serve you. Portable chargers come in various sizes and capacities. Some are even solar-powered, making them an excellent companion for the environmentally conscious adventurer. Remember, the goal is to be prepared, not scared. So pack a portable charger in your adventure kit. Keep your devices juiced up and stay connected even in the wild. Third on our list, we can't stress enough the importance of weather-appropriate clothing. Every seasoned adventurer knows that the secret to staying comfortable and safe on any trip rests in the suitcase. Before you zip up your bag and head for the hills, take a moment to research the climate of your destination. Is it a tropical rainforest, a blistering desert, or a frosty mountain peak? Each environment calls for its unique wardrobe. For rainy locales, consider packing waterproof jackets and quick-drying clothes. If you're heading to colder climates, layers are your best friend. And don't forget about sun protection in hot areas. Hats, sunglasses, and lightweight long-sleeved clothes can be lifesavers. But remember, while it's tempting to fill your suitcase with fashionable ensembles, practicality should be your guiding principle. After all, the best travel memories are made when you're comfortable and prepared, not shivering or sweating in the wrong attire. Dress for the weather, not for the gram. Just missing the top spot at number 2, we have a local language phrasebook. An underrated gem in the world of solo travel, a local language phrasebook is your key to unlocking the true essence of your adventure. Sure, you might have your translation apps, but nothing beats the authenticity of communicating in the local language, even if it's just a basic hello or thank you. Having a phrasebook on hand not only enriches your travel experience, but it also helps you navigate through the local scene with more ease. It's like a bridge, bridging the gap between you and the locals, opening up doors of opportunities for meaningful connections. Plus, it's a sign of respect. It shows that you appreciate their culture and are making an effort to learn about it. So next time you pack your bag, remember to squeeze in a local language phrasebook. Speak the language, embrace the culture. And finally, at number 1, the most important thing you need when traveling alone for adventure, a sense of adventure. You see, no amount of gear can replace the thrill of the unknown, the joy of discovery. Being open-minded, flexible, and savoring each moment, that's the spirit of true adventure. It's about embracing the unexpected, finding beauty in the little things, and turning obstacles into opportunities. Adventure is out there. All you need to do is embrace it. Thanks for tuning in. Remember to subscribe to Mr. Vin TV for more adventure tips and guides.